going to see with example 3.11. This is a very important question. This can be asked even in 2 marks and 3 marks. Okay. Using the relation B is equal to mu naught into H plus M, we have to show that xi m is equal to mu r minus 1. Okay. For this, first take with this formula B is equal to mu naught into H plus M. Okay. And this is a formula which you have to know already, which is m is equal to xi m into h. Now instead of this m, substitute this value here. Okay, so we get mu naught into h plus, instead of m we are writing that value as xi m into h. Okay, now in this both, what is constant, which is h is constant. Okay, so this can be written as mu naught into 1 plus xi m into h, because we are taking h outside. Okay, now so this is the value of b. Okay, so have this equation as it is. Next is we are going to take the other formula for b, which is given by b is equal to mu into h. Okay, so this is the other value of b, which is mu into h. Now instead of this b, if you substitute this value here, we get mu into h, which is equal to mu naught into 1 plus xi m into h. Okay, now both the sides h gets cancelled. Bring this down. Okay, so we get mu divided by mu naught. Mu divided by mu naught can be written as mu of r. So mu r is equal to 1 plus xi m. If you need the value of xi m alone, bring this side. So we get xi m is equal to 1 or mu r minus 1. Okay, so these are the steps which we are going to follow. The main formulas which you have to know is, the first formula m is equal to xi m into h, and the next formula is b is equal to mu into h. Okay, so these are the two main formulas which you have to know in this. So after taking the h outside, this is, and this is we are taking with the value of b. Now this b we are going to substitute in this place and cancel with the value of h on both the sides, and bringing this mu naught down here, mu divided by mu naught, that becomes as mu r. Okay, now bring this one this side, so we get the equation which has to be proved. Okay, xi m is equal to mu r minus 1. Clear? Thank you.